Yo, first order of the day. This is a Starbucks, $7.75, going less than 2 miles. Hello.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Ooh, $8.25. Small little hidden tip on that one. I'll take it. Going back to Starbucks. Got an order, $8.25, going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Chelsea Mobile, Devin, Blue, and SC Mobile order.
Not happy about this order. For whatever reason, they were not prioritizing any of the delivery orders. So I had to wait an extra 10 customers. And then they dropped one of the food items, so I had to wait another 5 minutes for that to be warmed up. Just a bunch of wasted time there for no reason, really. So annoying. Next order came in as I was dropping that off. It is for Tammy's Bleepin' Kitchen. $7, going less than 2 miles.
I used to work on I was the manager of the store across the street for 14 and a half years, so I already had a customer base. Yeah, so it's cool.
Yeah, have a good day. Next order up is for Panera. This is $9 and some change, going about 5.5 miles. I've got a feeling about this drop off. We'll see what it looks like once I get there though. Well, that was gonna take too long, so you guys aren't gonna be able to see. But if you're interested, search up Sweet Seduction Espresso. All right, next up we've got an order for Angels. This one is $10, going about 6.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Next order up is for Angels. This one is $8, going 3.5 miles.
Baker's choice and a drink.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $10.25, going 5.5 miles. Only one item. And then just scribble on that line for me. Next order finally came in. This is for Chick-fil-A, $7, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. It is super slow right now, but I finally got my next order. This one is crumble cookies, $7.75, going 3 miles. Yeah.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Next up, Chick-fil-A, $8, going 2 miles.
I have a DoorDash for Megan H.
Going back to Chick-fil-A. This one is $10 going 5 miles. Next order up is for McDonald's. This one is $7 and some change, going about 3 miles.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
I feel like it's already 3:30. I need to go home. Uber Eats ending in AEE.
Hello. There you are.
Thank you.
Love your shirt. Next order just came in. This one is for Burger King, $9 and some change, going less than 2 miles. And on that note, I think I'm calling it here. Current time is 12:30. Current total is 96. And I have like 4 Uber tips yet to come in, so I don't even know at this point. Somewhere around 110-ish. But anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.